Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you a quick and easy tutorial on how to access your recently deleted photos and videos on Instagram. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Instagram. First things first, open your Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account from which you want to recover the deleted content. Step 2. Go to your profile. Once you're on the main screen, tap on your profile picture icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Access your activity. Now, in the top right corner, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those to access your activity. Step 4. Go to your activity lock. From the settings menu, scroll down until you find your activity and tap on it to open your account settings. Step 5. Access recently deleted. In the Your Activity setting, you'll see a section called Recently Deleted. This is where Instagram temporarily stores your deleted photos and videos before they're permanently removed. Tap on Recently Deleted. Step 6. Browse and Restore. Here, you'll find a list of photos and videos that you've deleted within the last 30 days. You can browse through the items and select the ones you want to recover. To restore a particular item, simply tap on it, then tap on Restore at the bottom. You might need to confirm your action. Step 7. Permanent deletion. Keep in mind that if you don't restore the items within 30 days, Instagram will automatically permanently delete them, and you won't be able to recover them anymore. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to access your recently deleted photos and videos on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.